What if you could search 200 plus million research papers, get fully cited answers, write entire academic papers with AI, and manage all your references in one place? Sounds like ChatGPT plus Zotero plus Grammarly combined, right? Well, today I'm reviewing Paperguide, an AI-powered research assistant that's currently available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. And honestly, this might be one of the most powerful tools for researchers, bloggers, and students right now. Paperguide is an all-in-one AI research platform. It helps you find credible papers from 200 M plus research documents, ask research questions, and get cited answers. Write full academic-style documents. Manage references like a pro, chat with PDFs, generate literature reviews in minutes. It was founded in 2023 in Alpharetta, Georgia, and it's quickly becoming a favorite among researchers and professionals. Now let's talk feature. AI Research Search. This is where Paperguide really shines. Instead of just searching keywords like in traditional tools, it understands your question. For example, you can ask, was Hamlet portrayed as an angry character in academic literature? And instead of random blog posts, it analyzes scientific and scholarly papers and gives you a structured answer, proper citations, direct quotes for verification, source links. It even pulls insights from databases like Semantic Scholar. This is next level compared to just using ChatGPT alone. Literature review and data extraction. If you've ever done academic research, you know literature reviews take weeks. Paperguide turns that into minutes. You can compare multiple papers side by side, extract data from up to 100 documents, create customizable research columns, identify trends, contradictions, and consensus. It literally creates structured research reports automatically. For PhD students, this is gold. AI writer with Real Citations. This is not just another AI writer. Unlike generic tools like Jasper or Copy, AI Paperguide writes content based on actual research papers. You get full article generation inline citations, 1,000 plus citation styles, APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. Academic tone options, built-in reference formatting, and yes, unlimited words on all plans. Built-in reference manager. If you've used Zotero before, you know how helpful reference managers are. Paperguide includes one inside the platform. You can import from DOI, BibTeX, RAS, URLs, organize with folders and tags, annotate documents, collaborate in real time, export citations instantly. It combines AI plus reference management in one workspace. Chat with PDFs. Upload your research paper. Ask questions. Get answers directly from that document. No more scrolling through 50 pages trying to find one paragraph. This feature alone saves hours. Here's the crazy part. Instead of paying monthly, you can grab Paperguide as a one-time lifetime deal on AppSumo. Plans start at $79 for lifetime access. You also get 60-day money-back guarantee. Real user feedback. Paperguide currently holds a 4.3 plus rating on AppSumo. Users love accurate summaries, easy citation generation, deep research capabilities, and responsive founder support. Some users mentioned AI detection tools may flag AI-written papers. You should double-check the underlying sources, but honestly, you should always verify research anyway. So, is Paperguide worth it? If you write research-based content, need citations and structured reports, do literature reviews, manage lots of academic references, then yes, it's one of the strongest AI research tools available right now. It's basically ChatGPT plus Zotero plus academic search plus AI writer combined, and the lifetime deal makes it even more attractive. If you want to check it out, I've linked Paperguide below. If you found this review helpful, like the video. Comment your thoughts, subscribe for more lifetime deal reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.